announcing the arrival of His Excellency, President of the Republic of Indonesia.
Just moments ago, we witnessed the official arrival of ASEAN leaders here at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre. With all the leaders are now here, the summit will soon proceed with the main meeting sessions where key regional issues will be addressed.
And this year's summit comes at a pivotal juncture. With ASEAN's Community Vision 2025 nearing its horizon, today's discussion will help shape the post-2025 agenda, one that must be bold, forward-looking and resilient to uncertainty.
Heads of government and heads of states are now being ushered into conference hall for the next agenda of the day.
We kindly invite Their Excellencies, the Heads of State and Government of ASEAN and Timor-Leste, and His Excellency Secretary General of ASEAN to please proceed to the stage for a group photo session. Thank you. First, the formal pose. Allow me to count in 3, 2, 1. And now, the ASEAN way. Right hand over the left. In 3. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Excellencies. You may kindly take your seats.
Your Majesty, ASEAN Heads of State and Government, Ministers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning. It's our distinct honor and privilege to warmly welcome my brothers and sisters, in fact niece, to the 46th ASEAN Summit. We say, Selamat datang. Malaysia is honored to chair ASEAN this year with a special significance, a decade since the establishment of the ASEAN community. At the same time, we will adopt a forward-looking 20-year vision that necessitates our unwavering commitment and collective resolve. I would like to take note to congratulate Prime Minister Lawrence Wong for the convincing victory in Singapore. Welcome. Otherwise, we'll have a new member. These milestones offer a renewed sense of optimism and confidence for ASEAN, underscored by remarkable resilience against a backdrop of increasingly complex and sobering global developments. Nevertheless, we are thankful for the spirit of centrality and the fraternity among ASEAN member states in being able to come together to forge a common front in dealing with these challenges, including the recent initiative or pronouncement on unilateral tariffs from the United States. As for Myanmar, we have been able to take positive steps within the formation of an informal advisory group for Malaysia as the ASEAN chair for 2025. I must thank all leaders for giving this tacit approval for the setting up of this informal group under former Prime Minister Dr. Thaksin Shinawatra. We met first, of course, His Majesty the Sultan of Brunei for his wisdom and most senior member of ASEAN, and follow-up meetings, and the next meeting with former Prime Minister of Cambodia, Samdech Hun Sen. Quiet engagement matters, and this small and the breach may be fragile, but as they say, in matters of peace, even a fragile breach is better than a widening gulf. I strongly believe in the fortitude and staying power of ASEAN to withstand the headwinds and weather the storms of the challenges and uncertainties facing us. In this regard, I must again thank you, the leaders, for your trust, friendship, and excellent relations at the personal level, at the bilateral level, and the ASEAN level. To be able for us together to convene the first ever ASEAN GCC China Summit, which demonstrates our reservoir of goodwill, empowering us to deepen and expand our partnership and to act with strategic clarity. Above all, we must preserve the multilateral system and ensure that the ASEAN GCC China geo-economic model continues to play a meaningful role in forging a more inclusive and sustainable future for our region and our people. And as the mandate, the consensus achieved by the foreign ministers in Langkawi earlier this year, I have taken the liberty also to write to President Donald J. Trump to seek his understanding to organize a US-ASEAN meeting, which means we observe seriously the spirit of centrality. It speaks not only to our aspirations, but to our obligations. It is anchored in the conviction that ASEAN's future must rest on the twin pillars of equitable, sustainable growth and enduring resilience. Your Majesty, Excellencies, may I again reiterate my appreciation and thanks to the colleagues. When we embark on a new journey, including having to meet the various forces in Myanmar, the hospitality of Prime Minister Paetongtarn in Bangkok, you gave me that endorsement. And following that, I give the report informally to all leaders. When we encountered this problem with the tariff, we said proceed with bilateral meetings, but retain the ASEAN consensus, and without exception, all ASEAN leaders gave that tacit approval. I must truly appreciate, and with the coordination of the Secretariat. So I now have the honor to declare the 46th ASEAN Summit officially open.